the most important applications in Qatar on both Android or iPhone. So if you know you're new to Qatar or you are living in Qatar and you don't have these applications, consider downloading them. All right, let's check what is in number one. So we have Atlas app. If you are not aware of this application, if you are not yet in Qatar, but if you are living in Qatar, you already know this application. Yeah, it was introduced during COVID-19. Yeah, it assists and also it controls the spread of COVID-19. So if you are not aware about it, this application is so important. You cannot live in Qatar without downloading this application. Yeah, so let's check what is in number two. Yeah, so number two we are having Metrash 2. So Metrash 2, it's a government application. It assists the government also, or it can also help you to get your personal information, also to get a lot of government documents. So if you, for example, you want to update your Qatar ID, or you want to check your leave visa, it has all, it assists of all documents of the government. So this is the way how you can download it. You can just go to Play Store or App Store, then you check, or you search Metrash 2. Then after installing it, then you will provide your Qatar ID, or you create account, then you will be ready to use it. Yeah, so let's check what is in number three. So in number three we have Talabat. So this application, it is very good because in most areas in Qatar, most people they use Talabat as a food delivery. Yeah, if you want to order for food, yeah, Talabat is always is good at that. Yeah, so in number four we have Qatar Living. So this app is my favorite app because from here you can trade, or you can sell and buy anything, mostly this used or second-hand stuff. So consider downloading this app if you are not yet. You can check it out if you want to buy anything, you want to buy any used stuff like vehicle, or you want to buy phones or laptops. This application is very nice. So this is the way you can download it. You can go to Play Store or App Store, search for Qatar Living. You will see this is the logo of the app, and this is what it can do. Yeah, it has these vehicles, it has many things in all categories, as you can see on the screen. This is the sample. You can also order, or you can also get apartments from there if you want to rent any housings. Yeah, so it has all the easiest ways how you can discover the things which you want to buy. Also it has a section for jobs. Yeah, so that was in number four. Then here in number five we have transportation apps. So transportation apps here in Qatar, we have a lot of applications, but most especially this is what is common. If you are traveling, you're someone who is working from home to work, and there is a distance, the best way is to use Karwa from one destination to another. So Karwa bus is the most cheapest transport here, especially if you're using a bus, not taxi. Yeah, so you can download the application from App Store or Google Store. Yeah, so another one is also Metro, Qatar Air, or also the Metro Express. If you are living far from the metro line, you can use Metro Express to get to the metro. Yeah, so well, you can use Metro Express from your home to a metro station. Yeah, or you can also use Uber, or you can download Karwa Taxi. We have Karwa Taxi. That one is also, but compared to uh, to the compared to the bus, a Karwa bus is more cheaper, but again it makes it more slow because of going to from one stage to another while stopping. So you can consider using, for me I can advise you can use uh, Metro Express, or you can use Qatar Air, or you can use Karwa Taxi. Those are the most cheap and the quickest transport. Yeah, so or if you are living near the metro, you can use Qatar Air. All right, so let's go to number 6. We check what is in the navigation apps. So in navigation apps, I have Waze. Yeah, so if you are someone who is driving, if you are driving yourself and you need navigation apps which is more quick, updated, and the one which is easy to use, we have Waze. It's a very nice application. The routes are updated. Yeah, so you don't need to worry about getting lost or finding routes which are closed. Yeah, some application you find the routes are closed. So this one is in navigation apps. This one is number one. Then Google Maps follows. Yeah, so if you want navigation apps, consider downloading Google Maps and Waze. But Waze is in my number one in navigation apps. Yeah. All right, that was number 6. Let's check what is in number 7. Yeah, so in number 7 we are having communication apps. So here we have Orido and the Vodafone. So if you want to application which can assist you to understand, for example, Orido, you want to buy data or hala, you have to use this application. It will assist you to recharge by getting the bonus, or by getting the easiest bundles, how to apply to bundles. This application will all do it for you. How you can check your data, how you can change your plan from one plan, for example Shahar plans. Yeah, this application is good. It will assist you to do all of that. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, this application, you can use it to check the data balance or check the local data. Yes, also you can use it to do many stuff. So in number 8 we have shopping or grocery applications. So here, if you're someone who likes shopping, or who normally book online, these applications will help you so much, because like Lulu application, I consider it number 1 because it's very nice. You can find all stuff you want before you go to the market. You check, or you can do online shopping. Either you want electronics or you want any stuff, you can also find them. So I've gave you a lot of options. You can consider checking any of these options. You find out which one is good for you, as you can see. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you know you like this video, please consider subscribing. And these were also based on my choices. If you have any apps which you know they are best or they are important in the Qatar, you can also leave it in the comments below. I can also make a review about it. But don't forget to subscribe also, or give me a thumbs up if you know you like this video. Yeah, and I've made also other videos about to Atlas app and the other stuff which can help you if you are living in Qatar. You can just subscribe so that you don't always miss such news or important information about what is happening in Qatar. Thank you guys. Catch you in the next one.